Hey everyone, it's Maya from the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations. If you've been shopping for a steam shower, you've probably seen the name ThermaSol pop up everywhere. But here's the tricky part. They've got the Pro I, Pro II, and Pro III models, and it's not always clear which one's right for your space. So in this video, we're going to break it all down in simple terms. We'll look at what actually makes these three models different, who each one's designed for, and which gives you the best value for your money. By the end, you'll know exactly which ThermaSol Pro generator fits your bathroom and lifestyle. Let's start with a quick refresher on what makes ThermaSol such a trusted brand in the first place. They've been doing this for over 65 years. They're basically the OGs of steam. And what they do differently is engineering. Their generators don't just heat water and push out steam. They monitor and adjust steam levels constantly using an internal temperature sensor. That means no waiting, no temperature swings, and no bursts of hot or cold steam. It's just steady, silky, consistent steam from start to finish. So with that baseline, let's talk about the three models and how they actually compare. All right, first up, let's talk about the Pro I. This is ThermaSol's entry-level generator, but honestly, it's already top tier compared to most other brands. It uses their fast start technology, which basically means it starts steaming in under a minute, so you're not standing there freezing while you wait for mist. The Pro I is perfect for smaller to medium-sized bathrooms, roughly up to 395 cubic feet. Think of it as the essentials done perfectly option. You get great steam, high reliability, and the same build quality as the pricier models, just without the fancy self-cleaning or smart steam tech. If you're putting a steam shower in your master bath or guest ensuite, this one nails it. Price-wise, you're looking at roughly $2,800 to $4,300 US depending on size and accessories. Not bad for something that'll last over a decade. Next up is the Pro II series. This one's kind of the Goldilocks of the lineup. Not too basic, not too over the top. It's built for larger showers between 84 to 1,200 cubic feet, and the big upgrade here is Smart Steam technology. Now, Smart Steam is clever. Instead of blasting steam continuously, it gives you exactly what's needed to maintain your chosen temperature. So your steam stays smooth and constant, and it saves power and water in the process. It also runs quieter and has a better recovery time between uses, which makes it perfect if multiple people in your home use the steam shower back to back. Most of our customers see this as the best value pick. It's usually in the $3,300 to $6,900 range and honestly feels like a noticeable jump in performance compared to the Pro I. And finally is the powerhouse, the Pro III. If you're the kind of person who loves tech, convenience, and never wants to worry about maintenance, this one's for you. The Pro III comes with ThermaSol's Power Flush system, which automatically drains and cleans the tank after every session. So no buildup, no maintenance headaches, it takes care of itself. It also features Smart Steam Plus, an upgraded version that keeps your steam whisper quiet and ultra stable, like within 1 degree of your set temperature. This model is designed for big spa-style bathrooms between 84 to 1,200 cubic feet. It's also priced higher, usually $4,000 to $7,600 US. But if you're building your dream spa bathroom, this is the one that'll make you feel like you're in a professional wellness center every day. One more thing to note are the control systems. All three generators work with ThermaSol's modern interfaces like the ThermaTouch or SignaTouch controls. So whether you go with Pro I, II, or III, you're getting the same control experience. It's just the generator power and features that change. So now let's do a quick recap. If you just want solid, reliable steam for a small to mid-sized bathroom, go with the Pro I. If you're all about efficiency, comfort, and everyday use, Pro II is the sweet spot. And if you're building your forever spa bathroom and want something that's practically self-cleaning, Pro III is your winner. So basically, there are no wrong answers here, just different levels of luxury. If this helped you figure out which ThermaSol model fits your home, give this video a like. And hit subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews on other top steam shower and sauna brands. You'll find links to all three series below in the description, along with our full ThermaSol collection on Opulent Recreations. And if you'd like more real-world insights, installation tips, or personalized help, Join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint, where homeowners, designers, and spa lovers come together to share ideas. I'm Maya, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.